Super quick video that I wanted to make, and I feel like I essentially kind of had to make here. Aerodrome broke $1, right? And it is not obviously breaking $1 for the first time, but back over that $1 mark. It's been a really terrific last 7 days. Entire crypto market has kind of bounced back a little bit, right? We're seeing a ton of pumps across the board, but specifically Aerodrome, for a lot of people, I think we're over the project, right? We're seeing it almost, it was, almost to $2, fell back down. It was just the 4th of July here in the US. Aerodrome was trading at 42 cents. Now back here up to $1 price point here for Aerodrome. The first video I made, you can go back, I think I made probably close to 60 total videos or YouTube videos essentially on Aerodrome. And in the first video I made, Aerodrome was trading at 52 cents. Now obviously we're up a lot of multipliers when Aerodrome was close to $2 here, but nonetheless, Aerodrome back above $1. I've made videos the last couple of days on Aerodrome. I recommend going to check those out. I kind of broke down a few things in regards to that, but I just wanted to make this video to talk to everyone and talk to people that do watch these Aerodrome videos on my channel, and just reiterate like the idea, I guess, essentially, or the concept of being bullish on a crypto or believing in a crypto. Now, again, we're not anywhere near. We're still essentially $1 less than where Aerodrome was at these levels back at the beginning, early April, and things like that. But with that being said, so many people were out on Aerodrome, and if you even zoom out on the 1-year chart, Aerodrome's up 1,000%. But even at these levels, like this, if you zoom out in, the Bitcoin halving was right around here. Right, we knew there was going to be altcoin pullback pricing after the halving, right? And this is what happened here. But if you just look at this 1-year chart, you would look at this chart and you would view, in my opinion, view this as a healthy chart, right? Especially for an altcoin. And Aerodrome, like I said, is, to me at least, the epitome of an altcoin. And when altcoin season does happen, Aerodrome is going to rip. It's just, I've always felt, and I haven't like changed essentially my feelings towards that. And then again, I don't want to say, when we talk about Aerodrome, people were saying or leaving comments on my channel saying I sold my Aerodrome or I wasn't bullish on Aerodrome anymore. I mean, I wasn't uploading any videos on my channel at all, so it wasn't my, I just didn't have time to upload any videos. So it wasn't the lack of me being not interested in Aerodrome. I still have my same exact Aerodrome bag. I'm not even thought about selling my Aerodrome. I just think it's one of those projects that, to me, a little bit of a safer play compared to some other cryptos that you could possibly be holding. But again, this is super bullish, guys. I think I'm just gonna share one tweet by slapjake.eth. This is absolutely insanity. I will put a link to this tweet in the description below. This is absolute insanity from Aerodrome. Over 100 million in rewards paid out to Aero lockers in 47 epochs, 47 weeks. There are other protocols that made more revenue in the last year, but they certainly don't have 100% revenue sharing. Now, the rewards, right? You go to the Aerodrome's official Twitter and they essentially release news updates and talk about their rewards program quite a bit, right? And how their rewards program compared to other similar LPs is kind of bar none. And again, this tweet kind of speaks volumes to where Aerodrome stands and how it kind of compares, right? And I think if you're talking about from just a pure news standpoint, I mentioned this in the previous videos, if you're just going off news and things that Aerodrome official Twitter puts out there and I guess catalysts, there would be no reason to not be bullish on Aerodrome, right? I talked about in yesterday's video, Coinbase Ventures has continued to buy Aerodrome over the last couple of months, right? And again, holder count continues to grow. I think, we're talking about, I mentioned this yesterday, 129,000. I think today's Thursday here in the US. I made a video Tuesday. Aerodrome was at 125,000. And then the next day it was like at almost 127. We're talking about 2,000 more holders from yesterday's video till now, which is only about 12-13 hours. So again, you guys, you got to take a look at this stuff. You got to take a look at the year chart. And I just, again, wanted to make this video more so to talk about how if you're bullish on a crypto, you believe in a crypto, you got to be patient, right? I think that speaks with kind of anything in life, in my opinion. And again, I'm not trying to give life advice or be a philosopher or anything like that, but like patience is key. I think anyone specifically in the altcoin space, and specifically right now in this market that we are in the crypto space, where we are seeing pullback on prices after the halving, which historically has happened before. When you're in the position you are in now, if you have your bag, you just gotta kind of, I don't want to say sit and forget and not check the prices, but you can't get so caught up in seeing fast money, quick money. I think where we are today in society as a whole, not even just in crypto, everyone wants everything fast. Aerodrome, it's gonna take time. It was always a long-term play. It's great to see this happening now to Aerodrome back up above $1. Hopefully we can stay up above $1. Not saying there won't be more pullbacks here, but let me know in the comments below how you feel about Aerodrome. Market cap sitting at 547 million. Trading volume up 25%. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, you guys, and as always, have a great day.